Okay, for this question, right, class, I think let me just emphasize A is actually the maximum value, is the maximum value of fx, all right, and then your B is equal to minimum value, or minimum value of fx, therefore take note of this, and you are asked to find the difference of A minus B, right, and then can you see that basically there are four absolute value function here. And in this case, can you see that we just break the number line into all these segments? That means this is minus 2. Can you see that? Minus 2. And then you have 0. Then you have 1. And then you have 2. Therefore, that means basically you break this line segment in this number line into 5 segments. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Into these 5 segments. Therefore, first we consider x less than or equal to minus 2. All right. Then can you see that our objective is to remove the absolute value sign? Therefore, in this case, can you see that to remove the absolute value, you will just simply get negative x plus 2. All right. And then this is plus 3. And then this is negative x. And then minus negative x minus 1. All right, and then the last one is 5, and then this is negative x minus 2. All right, okay, therefore I think you can simplify yourself, right? I think in this case you will get minus 3x minus 6, and then this is minus 3x. Okay, minus 3x, and then after that you will get plus x minus 1, and then plus 5x minus 10. All right, therefore you basically get minus 17, minus 17. Therefore, for when your x is in this interval, you realize that the maximum value is equal to minus 17, and the minimum value is also minus 17, because you will end up with a constant value of minus 17, right? Next, we consider x greater than minus 2, x greater than minus 2 and less than or equal to 0. All right, then in this case, can you see that your fx, or you just remove the absolute value sign correctly, that means this will be 3 times x plus 2, and then this is plus 3 minus x, and then minus x minus 1, and then minus 5 minus x minus 2. I think you can, okay, this part you can solve for yourself. Basically, this will be 3x plus 6, and then minus 3x, and then plus x minus 1, and then plus 5x minus 10. Therefore, the answer is 6x minus 5. All right. Therefore, what is the maximum? The maximum occurs when x is equal to 0, right? Therefore, in this case, you get minus 5, and the minimum is actually minus 17. All right. Okay, next we consider x greater than 0 and less than or equal to 1. All right, then your fx, can you see that you will get 3 times x plus 2, and then plus 3x, and then minus negative x minus 1, and then negative minus 5, and then minus negative x minus 2. All right, therefore you get 3x plus 6, and then plus 3x, and then plus x minus 1, and then plus 5x minus 10. All right, therefore, and what you get here is 12x minus 5. Therefore, the maximum occurs when x equal to 1. Therefore, in this case, the maximum will turn out to be 7, and then the minimum turn out to be minus 5. Right? Okay, then now we look at the last second last interval. X is greater than 1 and less than 2. Right? Therefore, in this case, your fx, that will be just equal to 3 times x plus 2 plus 3x, and then minus x minus 1, and then negative minus away 5, negative of x minus 2. All right. And can you see that this will be 3x plus 6 plus 3x minus x plus 1, and then this is plus 5x minus 10. All right, and what you get here is 10x minus 3. Therefore, what is the maximum? The maximum occurs when x is equal to 2. Right, therefore maximum is actually 17 and minimum is actually equal to 7. The minimum is actually equal to 7. Therefore, the last case, when your x is greater than 2. Therefore, to remove your absolute value sign, just simply remove the absolute value sign, or you will get everything. Therefore, this is 3 times x plus 2 plus 3x minus x minus 1. Can you see that you just simply remove the absolute value sign, or you will get into this. All right, then in this case, you get 3x plus 6 plus 3x minus x plus 1, and then minus 5x minus 2. Right, and the answer is just equal to 17. Therefore, the maximum is 17, and then the minimum is also 17. Right. Therefore, if you look at A is the maximum value of the f(x) function. Therefore, you look at all the maximum, all the possible maximum. It is actually the maximum. It is the maximum of minus 17, minus 5, and then 7, right? And then 17, and also the last one is 17, right? Therefore, the answer is 17. And if you look at B, right? B is the minimum of all the minimum, which is minus 17, and then minus 5, and then 7 and 17. Therefore, it should be minus 17, right? Therefore, A minus B, it should be 17 minus negative 17. And the answer should be 34. With that, we answer the question.